Students, in this video we will learn about changing background, colors and patterns of a chart. For that, first we are clicking right mouse click on plot area. From shortcut menu, I am selecting format plot area. That means we select format plot area. Then after we are getting that dialog box, that is format plot area, and here option has been given, so many option has been given. So one by one we will discuss about each one. No fill, no use, it is not giving anything. After then we are coming on solid fill. Solid fill is provide us colors for the background of our plot area. After clicking here color, we are getting so many colors. Here it has been given. We can choose according to our choice. As I am choosing blue, you can see the plot area has got its background blue. You can choose according to your choice any color. Okay students, now I am coming on the next option, gradient fill. You can see there are so many options has been given related to this one. The first one option is preset color. Here preset color has been given, so we are opening this one. You can see preset colors has been given in PowerPoint for chart. So we are choosing this one, rainbow. After then you can see the color of the background of plot area, it has become. And now we are coming on the type. Here we are getting four options: linear, radial, rectangular and path. The first one, when we are clicking linear, in angle we are getting the facility to increase or decrease facility. We can increase angle or decrease. In other three options we are not getting such facility. So here direction has been also given. We can choose any direction according to our choice. Okay students, you can see so many. You can do according to yourself. Okay, now I'm coming on the next point, that is radial. When I'm choosing radial option, then we are going in direction. You can see here 5 option has been given here. As we are selecting, you can see changing in that one. Okay students, so after then we are coming on the third option, that is rectangular. Here the options are available. According to that one we can select each and every one, and we can see the changing of the background of plot area. Okay students, so the last one is path. So this is the path. We can get that is not highlighted. That means we can get the only one here for that one. But here we can get facility that we can increase or decrease any color. You can see students, such facility you are getting. Okay students, from here you can give color according to your choice. Now I'm moving on the next option. Next one is picture or texture fill. So click on that one. Texture is already available here. After clicking, we are getting texture color. It has become the background of plot area, but we can choose here so many texture given here. As we are selecting, we are getting the background of plot area. Okay students, and now here we can insert any picture also. From file we are going when we are clicking, we are direct going in picture library. From there we can select any picture and after then insert. Now you can see that it has become the background of plot area. Okay students, now from clipboard we can take so many things here, and uh, from clip art we can take just like I'm choosing this one and clicking OK. You can see it has become the uh, background of plot area. Okay students, now I'm coming on the next one is pattern fill. In pattern fill you can see so many patterns has been given, so I am choosing this one, any one of them. So I'm choosing this one. You can see it is providing you facility that we can change its foreground color and background color. So I'm uh, making this one as its foreground color and that is background color. Anything that is depending on you which color you like most. After choosing both, you can see these designs are available, patterns are available. So now we can choose any other one also. Okay students, so after we are coming on the last option, automatic. When we are clicking automatic, that means we are getting as earlier as it was in the beginning. It is automatic background of a chart. Okay students, this video is over here. Now I'm closing this one. Okay, we will meet in the next video with a new topic.